Welcome to the IQS ZEISS. One more time. ZEISS IQS, sorry. Hey Measuring Hero. Hey Measuring Hero. 50 video. We're going to do a weekly video blog, hopefully coming out about every Thursday or so. I have a question. My name is Jay Elapano. I'm one of the product managers here at ZEISS. I am a dramatically tall 1.7 meters. How you doing?
Fine, thanks.
Patrick, thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. With us is Vanessa. She'll guide us through the whole process.
Let's do the scan.
Great, great. We will explore different metrology topics, what's going on in ZEISS IQS, some tips or tricks or whatever happens, and hopefully you will have some fun with us. Ausbildung, Koordinaten, Messtechnik. They're putting balls the size of 2 human hairs onto little shafts. We're going to talk about some optics basics.
Here you can see how to measure on the top of the part and also on the side.
We have to eliminate all constant errors from middle line to the lower points.
That the complete system is important for the machine accuracy.
We'll also explore the different products that are here. Tips and tricks that will make measuring with your O-Inspect a lot easier. There's the cool way to do it, which is via our new augmented reality app. We'll meet some people and have a little fun along the way.
It's okay, but not for the customer.
We're here with Renee so you don't want me to walk from back here? I will say the same thing again.
Of course, you have been getting used more and more to the camera in front of you.
Thank you for taking the time on going down this journey with me. Hi, Elena. See you next Thursday.